My next new technology is Flipgrid. I have not heard of this or personally used it, so I thought it was pretty exciting. It is web-based. It's not device specific. It'll work on any browser, and it's free. I selected this because as a teacher, I can ask a question, and then the students can respond via a video of themselves, and then they can also interact with each other after I view the videos. This is definitely for my students and just to get quick feedback, maybe as a um, homework assignment, probably. Um, and so here is what my dashboard will look like. I have already set up a grid or page for my personal finance. So we'll go into that. Um, I have one topic that is at a stay-at-home order, is what I called it. The the question is, how do you feel this stay-at-home order will affect our economy? And then I will go here and share it with my students. I can either share it via Google Classroom, or I can give a QR code, or just copy the link and give that to them. And then they will get it. They will respond to me in video form, and I will be able to view it and then approve it and see if they can, and then they can comment on each other. I like this one because this is what they're doing anyway with Snapchat and their social media, and it allows me to see their faces and allows them to interact more. The standards that I chose to go along with this are 1C, model digital citizenship by critically evaluating online resources, engaging in social discourse online, and using digital tools to contribute to positive social change. I think this is new and this is what they're doing already, so I can create a positive atmosphere around this. And 2B, build on the shared vision of collaboratively creating a strategic plan that articulates new technology and will be used to enhance learning. I think this can be used kind of as a exit ticket where they can learn more about the topic that we talked about in class that day. Thank you.